Welcome back to Auto Explorer, your trusted source for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving deep into one of Maruti's most stylish and premium offerings in the MPV segment, the Maruti XL6. If you're looking for a bold family vehicle with SUV-inspired design cues, this one deserves your attention. Let's start with its design. At first glance, the XL6 immediately stands out with its rugged yet refined presence. Maruti has cleverly differentiated it from its sibling, the Ertiga, giving the XL6 a more upscale and adventurous personality. The front fascia is aggressive, with a bold quad-chamber LED headlamp setup that's connected by a striking chrome strip running across the grille. The grille itself sports a unique design, with the bold mesh pattern and glossy black finish, giving it a modern and athletic character. The bumper is sculpted with large air intakes and silver skid plates, adding to its SUV-like appeal. Move to the side, and the XL6 continues to impress. It features chunky wheel arches and stylish 16-inch dual-tone alloy wheels that enhance its road presence. The side cladding adds a muscular look, while the roof rails give it a touch of utility and ruggedness. The black Talto RVMs, pillars, and contrast roof option on select variants add to its sporty styling. From the rear, the XL6 maintains its strong stance with LED tail lamps that extend into the tailgate. The tailgate itself is neatly sculpted with sharp creases and a chrome garnish running across. The integrated spoiler and shark fin antenna on top add aerodynamic efficiency and a modern touch. Now, a quick word on performance. The XL6 is powered by Maruti's tried-and-tested 1.5-liter K-Series petrol engine with smart hybrid technology. While we won't dive into the drive today, this powertrain supports the bold exterior with confident cruising ability and refined engineering. The XL6 isn't just about style, it's also about presence and identity. Launched in 2019, it was Maruti's answer to customers seeking a premium MPV that doesn't compromise on looks. Over the years, it has evolved, and with every facelift, it sharpens its design even further. So if you're after a car that makes a bold statement from every angle, the XL6 delivers. Stay tuned to Auto Explorer for more in-depth reviews, walkarounds, and everything auto. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your weekly dose of car talk. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next ride.